Navigation lights. Everybody knows them, everybody loves them. A lot of the newer RC planes actually come with navigation lights of their own. But let's say you're like me and you have an airplane that you bought a while ago that doesn't have these lights. In my case, this airplane is my AeroScout. I've had it for over a year. Not only does the AeroScout not come with lights, they don't even offer a light package for it. So how do you go about putting navigation lights on an RC plane that doesn't already offer a kit? That's where this RC plane LED light kit comes in handy. These lights are independent, meaning all you have to do is stick them on, charge the battery, and press the button, and they'll turn on. You can use 3, you can use 2, you can use 1. They have many settings. But before I get into all of that, let's see how well they work. Well, for 20 bucks, I think these things are great. Absolutely fantastic. One of the biggest selling points for me was the fact that the lights actually have their own batteries, which means you don't have to run any wires. The lights simply stick on, and they're their own little units. The only problem with that is in order to charge them, you have to charge each light individually, which takes about 15 minutes. You simply plug it in with the included charger, which goes on the end of an Android-style charger, and once the light turns blue, you simply unplug it, go to the next light, plug it in, and you have to do that for all 3 lights or however many lights you're using. The only problem I've had with these lights is my red one, because of the way it's oriented, the button was facing down, and I believe in one of my landings I managed to clip the wing, and the little rubber button gasket seems to have just disappeared. I can just use a little screwdriver to press the button. The lights have 3 modes. There's a 2-pulse blink, a 1-pulse strobe, and a 1-pulse breathing kind of effect. It's hard to see on camera due to how bright they are. Well, if you are interested, the link to the light is in the description. I am not affiliated with them at all. I went and bought these because I thought they'd be really cool. And while I'm doing this outro, here are some other people's lights put on the airplane. Now, because of the versatility, you can really put these anywhere. In fact, the manufacturer even has a picture of someone putting them on a scooter. So these lights can be on an RC car, an RC boat, a plane, literally anything they can stick to, you can put them on there, which is another reason why I really like them. They're very multi-purpose. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're interested in the lights, check out the description. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this was educational, useful, or entertaining.